Welcome back, everyone. Another decent day out there because we know what's coming. We've got a big heat wave on the way, so today was really pretty refreshing. The lows were in the 50s, and we're going to have another day like this again tomorrow and even on Friday. So pretty nice weather out there. 59 for the low here, 85 for the high. Even cooler in Marshalltown, 54 and 83 there, and 53 and 84 in Oskaloosa. So really nice, comfortable in the morning, comfortable in the day. And we've only had 11 days hit 90 degrees in Des Moines. We have had a very mild summer thus far, but that is about to change as we've got a heat wave building, and it's all because the jet stream is bubbling way up to the north. We've got this giant area of high pressure. We call it a ridge in the atmosphere, and it basically lets the heat build and build and build, and it keeps the cold air, which usually comes from Canada and of course the northern areas, that air cannot get down here, so the heat from the south just kind of builds up across the area. So Friday is still not a bad day. We've got a cool morning in the 50s, highs in the 80s, similar to today, and then we warm it up. 90s on Saturday, 98 on Sunday, and it looks like that will be the last day of the fair and probably, of course, the hottest day of the fair. It does try to cool down maybe in the middle of next week, but it's not a guarantee at all. Here are the temperatures we're expecting. We got 81 tomorrow, comfortable, 85, then it goes to 94. Could be 3 days in the upper 90s here, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and maybe we cool it down hopefully by the first day of school. But the heat is on. The hottest day ever at the fair, if you're wondering, is 108 degrees back in August 16th, 1983. And in 1983, six days in the fair were actually at 100 degrees or higher. So it was a really hot fair back in 1983. This Sunday, that'll be the hottest day of the fair, 98 degrees. So still well below that average. Now, or that record. Now, tomorrow we are looking for a lot of sunshine again. We will see temperatures in the low 80s out there. A lot of decent weather tomorrow, 85 and then 94. No rain chance in the forecast here, and there will be a breeze out there, which also helps to keep things cool. Looking outside right now, we got 76 degrees, mainly clear skies, although a few clouds are coming in. We've got a cold front on the way, which usually means rain, but not this time. It looks like we will not probably get any rain. The temperatures are still not too bad in the 70s right now. You got 72 in Newton, 74 in Perry, and 74 here in Marshalltown. Around the rest of the state, we've got dew points in the 60s here, and you see where it's kind of a little bit higher dew points here. That's where the cold front is, and that will possibly spark a few isolated showers later on tonight, mostly north and east of the metro. The winds are right now out of the southwest, just starting to change. That front is right here coming into northwest Iowa. Still 81 in Spencer, though, and 82 in Sioux City. A lot of times that happens right ahead of the front. It's actually warmer than other areas when you're really close to that front. But that front will go through tonight, and it'll cool us down, especially in northwest Iowa. Only 66 so here in Des Moines. The cooling really takes place during the day tomorrow. Highs in the 70s to the north. Here in the city, probably get to 81, but generally it's going to be a cooler day tomorrow than it was today. Back into the low to mid 80s on Friday, and then Saturday the 90s take over. They're going to be with us for quite a while. Upper 90s in western Iowa. You can see the heat out west, North Platte, 100 degrees here. So they have got the heat. Of course, Texas still has the heat. You can see our front here developing a few showers and thunderstorms, and they will come into Iowa. Northern and northeastern Iowa definitely have a chance of some showers and thunderstorms tonight. That front just now coming into the state, and we will see those winds switching to the northwest. But as far as rainfall goes, I don't know if we're going to see much at all in central Iowa. It doesn't look like it. There is a warning out here just north of Algona there in Kossuth County, so that's probably going to come in to northern Iowa. The models may bring a few showers down into central Iowa. Some of the latest models show a few spotty showers developing with that front, but the front will come through. There might be a spotty shower, but insignificant rainfall. Then the winds go to the northwest, and it will basically be a nice day tomorrow with a mostly sunny sky. With that northwest wind, we will have another cool night tomorrow night into Friday morning. Lows in the 50s again. Very comfortable for this time of the year, but that is it. After that, it just keeps warming up day after day. 66 for tonight, so a mild night out there. Certainly not as cool as it's going to be tomorrow night. 81, mainly sunny for tomorrow. And here's your 10-day forecast. We've got a couple of decent days, and then we start to heat it up. Hot weather continues into next week. No rain chances to speak of. No good rain chances at all through all of next week. Hopefully the heat will be knocked down just a little bit by the second half of next week.